To book a Forex transaction with Absa Bank, start by understanding the basics of foreign exchange and its relevance to your financial needs. Begin by logging into your Absa online banking platform or visiting your nearest Absa branch to initiate the process. When booking a Forex transaction, it is essential to have all necessary documentation ready, including identification and proof of address. For businesses, you may need to provide additional documents such as company registration and tax clearance certificates. Next, determine the type of Forex transaction you want to book, whether it is a spot transaction, forward contract, or swap. A spot transaction involves the exchange of currencies at the current market rate, while a forward contract allows you to lock in a rate for a future date. A swap transaction involves the exchange of currencies for a specific period, usually used for hedging purposes. To get the best rates, consider the current market conditions and the exchange rates offered by Absa Bank. You can use the Absa Forex calculator to determine the exchange rate and calculate the amount you need to transfer. When booking a Forex transaction, it is crucial to consider the fees and charges involved. Absa Bank charges a commission on Forex transactions, and there may be additional fees for services such as wire transfers. To book a Forex transaction online, navigate to the Forex section of the Absa online banking platform. Select the type of transaction you want to book, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You can also book a Forex transaction by visiting your nearest Absa branch or contacting the Absa Forex dealing room. Best practices for booking a Forex transaction with Absa Bank include monitoring market rates to get the best deal, considering hedging options to manage risk, and keeping records of your transactions for accounting and tax purposes. By following these tips and understanding the process, you can efficiently book a Forex transaction with Absa Bank and achieve your financial goals.